This video is sponsored by Squarespace. You taking a photo or a video?
Video.
What's up guys, I got a brand new video for you today. We are at Neon Demon Studio, downtown Toronto. We're gonna do a portrait shoot, but they got some new stuff here. We're gonna talk to John in a bit. He's gonna give us a little tour of this place because it's freaking sick. We got Marissa.
Hi.
You guys remember Marissa. We're gonna shoot some stuff here because you know, that's the whole reason why we're here. So let's go.
Yay!
I kind of liked how it looked right here, sitting on the couch here. Leather on leather.
Leather on leather. My favorite.
Can you come ahead just a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
And then you're able to, yeah, and then put this leg more up on the,
Like here?
yeah. All right, we're gonna test shot in here. The shutter's so slow.
I can hear it, yeah.
I'm gonna get in a little closer. Look down towards me now. Let's bring that arm down and then switch it with the other arm. I actually kind of like the hair falling in front of your face there too. Chin up just a little. 2, 1. Okay, let's bring both legs up onto the couch there. I kind of stagger. Let one hang down maybe, the one that's on the outside, yeah. Look towards the side now. 3, 2, 1. It really shows off the makeup good on that angle.
My sad clown makeup.
That's better, that's sharper. Cool. Sure. Actually, it might be best to try it right now. Not every day 2 people are rocking the same camera.
I know, right?
This is a light lens.
Yeah, it's a good combo together.
So far, this lens has a different type of motor in it. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna need you to come out now. Let's bring that right shoulder just slightly forward and let that arm drop. And lift it up a little, yeah. That, yep. 2, 1. Now look towards the cross now. 3, 2, 1. Sound like something like a pastor would say. Just throw in a little splash of color maybe. We'll switch it up here. Let's look down towards the cross now. Turn your body around, yeah. Hold that. I'm just gonna bring this around. Just to hit the shadow side of your face. 3, 2, 1. That's sick. I wouldn't mind to throw some sunglasses in the mix here. Do you have those ones that we brought? Okay, so I have to be very aware of what's in the reflection.
Yeah.
So if you look up just a little, down a little more.
Yeah.
Yep. I think this needs to be purple now. Lavender? Why is that?
My favorite color.
Why is that orange? Isn't lavender supposed to be purple?
Yeah. It's my favorite color. I feel like I would know that.
I've come to realize I don't like the speed of this. The 63 is very slow.
I saw it twitching out a lot.
Oh! Well, this AF is really fast. Tilt your head down a little. I'm keeping the shutter at 200 because I'm nervous that that chunky shutter is like gonna cause vibrations. Because like anything below 200, I feel like it's just gonna be because the whole camera's like.
It really makes that noise.
Yeah. What these vibes are looking like. Who's calling? Who's calling right now? It would look kind of cool with water droplets on it.
Oh, it looks amazing, especially if there's some in the background as well. You get all these interesting shapes.
What's the best way to light that? In through the side, kind of?
Pretty much how it is right now. Like it'll be backlit through the red.
Yeah. Can you bring this hand up to this spot right here?
Here.
And over a little? Come closer. Come like as close up to it. Yeah. Yeah, stay there. Keep looking this direction. I just get awkward and quiet when I'm manually focusing. I'm just like, I hold my breath. Yeah, let's try some water on the glass. That might be pretty cool. I might change this to a different color now too.
How do you get that?
The chances of actually being able to get that in real life. Oh, this is way better.
Yeah.
This changes everything. Oh, this is really cool.
Try to get some of the droplets just like
Coming down.
yeah.
Lean into the glass a little more. Pretty cool. That actually looks legit. Like that looks like it's on a street corner now. Yeah.
That's why I don't like using the interior lights too much.
Mm-hmm. It had a cool look, but it looked very fake. Cool.
Last one you go was super cinematic.
All right, I think we're done here. Let's move on. Oh yeah, we want to do the arcade too, right? Let's do a couple quick shots of the arcade. Okay, so turn yourself so that you're gonna have to be like this direction, so facing almost that way.
Okay.
I'm gonna cheat it. It's like obviously you're not gonna be looking into it, but it's gonna look like you're looking into it. So crouch down again.
You want me to face the money?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay, hold that for 1 second, Marissa. Look up towards the claw, actually. Turn a little bit more towards me. Chin up just a little. Tilt your head off towards me a little, like, yeah, that direction. Nice. Okay, we're done. Let's go sit in front of this drug sign. I want to stick those crazy glasses on you. Do you want to put these on? Let me shoot slow-mo of you putting that on. I kind of like them on top of your head too. Bring your hand down that's on your knee.
This one?
Yeah. Let's test the dynamic range of this camera. Yeah. See what we can pull out on that. That actually looked really cool. I'm waiting for the comments already. You don't know how to hold a camera. Well, I've got a friggin' 360 camera hanging off. Let's turn your head a little more to your left. Inward tilt your left toe so it comes in towards you a little bit. Yeah. Nice. Look straight ahead, like so you're, yeah. I want to give a big shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. So I've been using Squarespace for a while now, and as someone who's a freelancer, I'm sure some of this resonates with a few of you. We don't really have a lot of time for web design, and if I'm being honest, I actually hate web design. But I found that with Squarespace, it was just super easy. They have lots of templates to get things set up. You can preview different templates and apply them, so it'll switch it out on the fly for you. And if you're into analytics and want to know more about your audience and ways to improve your website, you can see things like page views, traffic sources, and your audience geography. And something new I noticed they've added is appointment scheduling. So if you're a photographer and you have clients that need to book on your website, it's super easy to set up and do. Clients can easily just see your availability. They can reschedule, and it takes a hassle out of coordinating your calendars. I think it's a perfect place for photographers to set up a portfolio because it's easy to get up and running. And it's also an easy place to set up an online store as well. So check out squarespace.com for a free trial. And once you've got your website up and running, go to squarespace.com/thumbsdowntwice for a 10% discount on your first website or domain. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for hanging out with me and Marissa. Thanks to John off camera. If you guys live in the city and you want to shoot somewhere different, you should check out Neon Demon Studio. I'll put links in the description where you can figure out how to
book some time.
Is it booking? You got like a booking on the site? Yeah, so you can book some time down here and try something different, because sometimes photography can get stale if it's like your hobby and you're doing the same thing. So come down to something like this and try something completely new. Thanks again to Marissa. Hopefully you guys like the shots. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, give it thumbs down twice. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yes, you're one of the first people to shoot in the V2 version of Neon Demon.
Sick.
I pretty much changed everything up in here, from like the neon on the wall to like the concrete and the fence and everything. Added a bunch of new neon, creating new color combinations, and like this area I really wanted to feel a bit more cooler in the tones.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I put
Bluer.
the drug sign here, and like everything's more on the blue side. This place is like one giant 3D Tetris cube. It's so complicated. And just like moving a sign, it's not easy, right?
Yeah, well that one's like freaking on metal.
On the iPad now, it definitely makes it a lot easier. So like turn everything off, and then turn stuff back on.
So you have different scenes set up for different types of vibes?
Yeah, so this one here, like the drugs are bad scene, that's sort of like the very, very cool blue scene. There's like California Jesus over there, which is like the red neon plus the cross. But the newest thing that I got is this claw game right here. It's got a pretty cool look. It's like that old school claw game that everyone's played. It's on free play. And I filled it with money and pills, as one does.
Yeah, you need to have drugs and money in your...
Yeah, I thought it'd be funny to have like a single fake diamond that if you get like a free game rental.
That'd be cool.
You just spend the whole shoot trying to get that free rental.
That'd be cool.
And then I lit it with this cool stuff from LifeX, which is like animated RGB strips. Well, I've made about 10 signs in here.
Oh, okay.
Out of like 40 that I have.
What's one that's your favorite that you've made?
My logo.
The neon one?
Yeah.
Neon Demon? Yeah.
I mean, I
that's-
designed it to be neon.
Yeah.
So ever from like the first stages of it, I knew it was going to be a neon sign.
It's a sick font too. I've never, like I shot at your old studio when you had the ice cream sign, the V1 studio.
Yeah.
But that was like when you were first starting, you had the cross
Yeah.
and you had the ice cream sign. And I was like, we used the cross and I was like, this is sick. Cause I was like, you see like the reflection in the eye and stuff. And, but like, yeah, I haven't really shot a lot of neon, so it's kind of cool to try something different.
Yeah. I made this one too. This translates to "this is Chinese."
Okay. That's funny.
Yeah. So I like to have fun in here. This one, you know Chris Howe?
Yep.
He gave me this one.
Oh yeah, it broke on his wall or something, right? I thought it broke or something.
Something like that. He
Yeah.
just didn't want it. But this sign's really cool because it's one of the only ones that's dimmable.
Oh. Well, the appeal is to probably get the vintage ones, right? Because I was gonna say just make your own, but the appeal to it is to have some of the old like original stuff. But like you almost
Plus
need
neon's expensive.
you almost need like a guy
Yeah.
that's on the inside. It's like, yo, we got some neon signs that are coming down in New York. Like come down here
I
and get
do
them.
pretty much have that. I
Yeah.
have this friend in the salvage yard, and that's where I got the cross, the phone booth, the drug sign, the lucky sign. He just calls me up, he's like, dude, I found this one sign, it's an abandoned location, you're gonna love it.
Sick.
Yeah. I was like paying money for this, but
Yeah.
it's worthwhile to have a guy on the inside.
Cool. Yeah.
But yeah, so I'd say just like do your thing, and like
Cool.
what I've seen so far looks dope. I'm probably gonna shoot some GFX stuff alongside you.
Yeah. We both got GFX 100s right now, so we're both just gonna rock the beast.
Yeah.